Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our May Boxycharm unboxings. I have my premium box and my base box to share with you. So we're going to go ahead and get into the base box first, which is the smaller box. For the theme this month, it's Boxycharm Flourish. The first thing that I got is by Cobb Cosmetics. I'm not sure how to really pronounce it, but it's an eyeshadow palette. The outside packaging looks like it's called their Day and Night palette. And there's what the inside looks like. So very pretty colors in there. It says this palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. Retails for $52. To be a brand I've never heard of. And a pretty basic size palette. It's not really large. $52. I don't know about that price point, but I guess I'll find out when I try it if it's actually worth that. Then we have by Lavish a eye brush set. Looks like you get 5 eye brushes in there. I'm gonna put this in a pile for either a giveaway or a gift to someone. I have a drawer full of just that type of stuff, so that's where that's going to go. I really don't need any more eye brushes. It says the Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks, and it retails for $30. 5 eye brushes, $30. Again, I don't know about that price point. And then we have something different, which I'm actually excited to see for me personally in a base box, is a hair care product. It's by Dry Bar, their Hot Toddy Heat Protected Mist. And for that one, it says a lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees. Retails for $27. It's something I'll definitely be getting some use out of. Then we have by Mellow Cosmetics a liquid lip gloss in Saint Tropez. Here's the packaging of it. Oh, it's a nice like mauve color. I'll do a quick swatch of it. Yeah, it's very pretty. I don't have a gloss in this shade, even though it's kind of dry feeling. So we'll see how that actually feels on the lips. And then the last thing I got in my base box is by Murad, their Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And I love Murad products, so I'm excited to try this one. Oh, I almost forgot for the lip gloss to give you the details. So in that lip gloss, it says, get ready to spice up your lips. This ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a uniquely smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick, with the added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil. The Saint Tropez shade is the perfect mauve, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. Retails for $18. And there's what the Murad product looks like out of the box. And that one, it says, detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. Retails for $74. That's why I love getting Murad in the boxes, so I don't have to spend my own money on it and I get to try it in here, because that alone is more than both boxes combined. So that's really awesome. And that's all for the base box, guys. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the premium. And here's the premium bigger box. And it has the same theme this month, the Flourish. First thing I see is by LaRouche, or LaRouche. I may not be saying that name right at all. Comes in a pink envelope type of packaging, which is kind of cool. And it's a 3-piece brush set. A kabuki brush. Really nice feeling. I've never heard of this brand with really soft brushes. And then a highlighter brush. And I like the handles. If you can see there, it has like a texture to it. And this is a small angle brush. So for that one, it says it's called their on-the-go set. It says, get ready to cover all the basics with this set. This 3-piece set comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a small dense angled brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. Retails for $96. $96 for 3 brushes? Oh my goodness. Well, I don't know if they felt that great for that price point, but ooh, 3 brushes, $96. Not something I would be paying out of pocket for. Next we have by House Laboratories, which is Lady Gaga's brand. It's one of their eyeshadow palettes. This one's in Fame. There's what that looks like. This one, the color story just isn't something that really excites me. I have these colors, so I'm gonna put this in my giveaway / gift bin as well for future giveaways or gift giving. That palette says, unlock your fame in this new palette with 10 matte, metallic, shimmer, and sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. This universal eyeshadow palette gives you the power to play up every persona. Silky smooth, blendable shades range from warm pale peach and rose gold to cool plums and deep black for an ensemble of colors ready to develop you in a new identity each time you want to reinvent yourself. And it retails for $34. And then we have by Serum Kind a hand serum in Black Blossom. And I'm gonna be honest, I haven't heard of a hand serum, so it's something new. But with all the sanitizing and washing people do these days, I guess that comes in handy. And here's the packaging on that. And it says, a hand serum perfect for intensive care of skin barrier infused with the healing effects of Black Blossom Serum. Retails for $27. I'm actually going to give it a quick try here. Oh, it's more like a lotion. It comes out like a lotion. So as you can see, it's more like a lotion-y texture. It smells really nice. No complaints there. Seems like a nice hand cream type of product. Then we have by Rodial their Dragon Blood Eye Mask. It's a 3-pack. And it says these innovative gel eye masks combine biocellulose technology with Dragon's Blood Complex to intensely hydrate the delicate eye area with an immediate depuff effect. The coolant effect leaves skin feeling refreshed, while arnica extract helps reduce the appearance of bags and puffiness for an intensely brighter appearance. This is a great treatment for preparing before a big event. Retails for $18. So that's not too bad. You get 3 packs of the eye mask, so that's pretty cool. Then I got by Too Faced Cosmetics their Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. It says it's 24-hour crease-proof, waterproof longwear. And this one's in Tiramisu Me. It's the shade I got. I've never tried these. Never tried a liquid matte shadow at all, I don't think. Only shimmers. Here's what the package looks like. It's pretty cool. And we'll do a quick swatch of that too. It's like a purple taupe type of shade, I guess is how you would explain it. You see it there beside the gloss, it's the more purple tone. So that'll be pretty. This innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula delivers rich, intense chocolate-scented matte color in skin-centric cocoa tones that can be worn alone or for an airbrush finish or as a pigmented primer that locks down for 24 hours of crease-proof, waterproof wear. Retails for $21. Now $21 for essentially one shadow, I don't know. I think we paid about that much for the Stila glitters, but I think they could have gave us a little better price on that. And then the last thing I have is by Bite Beauty, their Power Move Creamy matte lip crayon in the shade Midnight Rye. And the shade is here, so it looks like a brown shade. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to put that in the giveaway / gift bin as well, just because that shade isn't something that I wear. So that says a clean, high performance matte lipstick for creamy, bold color that can keep up with you. $26 is the price. That's all I got, guys, in my Boxycharm boxes for this month. I will have links below in case you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm. The base box, which was the first box, is $25. The premium is $35. And then they also have the option to do Luxe, which is every 3 months. It's a larger box. And I want to say it's $45. I may be a little bit off, but it's somewhere around that range. And also don't forget, guys, to hit subscribe before you leave and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. I do have a giveaway that's going on now. I'm going to leave a link here on the screen for you to click on if you're interested in entering that. We have 1 more week to go, so jump right to it if you're interested in winning some goodies. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.